You girls in your princess dress? What happened to packing? Should I put my face mask?
Yeah.
It's all gooky. Yellow or blue? Blue! Do you like your hair, honey? Check it out. Check it out. That made my face really, really red. I'm gonna try and spray it. You wanna do your hair? What should we do?
I want two ups. I want not one up top. I want that.
You want 3?
Yeah. No, it's not creamy turn yet.
Oh, not yet, but next.
No.
Okay, now you want 2 more of those?
Yeah.
That's nice and even. A very cool hairstyle, Scarlett. Ta-da! You want to come and see? You like it, honey? Do you want to twirl?
No. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whose turn's next?
Me.
Creamy. Maybe, how about we give Creamy's hair a spritz?
No.
No, okay.
Run up here, okay?
Oh, okay. So you want 1 bun up top and 1 bun down below?
Yeah. And a ponytail.
And you wanted it in a bun, right?
Yeah. And 3 hair. A ponytail right here also.
Also a ponytail right here?
No, not this.
Not a bun?
Not a bun.
Okay, no problem. We'll take that out. How's that?
And the little ponytail right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Judy? Creamy, are you ready?
We're not moving.
We're moving, honey. It's gonna be so exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah. Brand new room.
Yeah, you get a brand new room. Do you like it?
Yeah.